Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be getting into the mini breaker and showing you that gorgeous duochrome purple deep brown look I did in, I was wearing in one of my giveaway announcements. And a lot of people thought it was stunning. So I'm like, I'm going to do this and show you guys how you can get this. And I think it's a perfect look for Valentine's Day. So I'm planning on doing multiple looks from multiple palettes for Valentine's Day looks so that you guys will have multiple ideas before Valentine's Day hits. So guys, I am doing a giveaway. The giveaway video will be down below. So go check that out. Go enter. Go follow the rules. You guys, it's a really great giveaway. So guys, before we start this video off, if you guys have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you guys know when my next video is. So guys, the first transition shade we're going to go into is called Double Scoop. And I'm going to go in with my JH33. I love the Jaclyn Hill brush set. So if anybody's like looking for very good eye brushes, the Jaclyn Hill Eye Master set is so bomb. So if anybody is interested in that, go to Morphe.com. So I'm going to go into Double Scoop. And I'm just, see how pigmented that is? Oh my gosh. I am just windshield wiper motions into my crease. The crease, look how freaking pigmented that is. I love this. And then I am sweeping this Double Scoop on my outer lid. You guys see how freaking pigmented? Oh, Jeffree. Then next I am going right into Hot Fudge, which is this gorgeous deep brown. Now on Morphe right now, this palette is only $20. I think on his site, on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, it's $28. I'm just blending that into my crease with my same brush and also sweeping the outer lid. And these just blend like a dream. Do you see how deep, gorgeous this Hot Fudge shade is? Do you see that deep chocolatey goodness? Hot Fudge is everything. It is so good. Then I'm going to go in my JH32, which is another blending brush. There's tons of blending brushes because Jaclyn loves to blend. She is all about the blending, and so am I. It is so very important. Oh, and I'm taking the JH32 into Double Scoop. And I am going to just blend out the edges of the crease. Then I'm going in with my JH41 flat brush, and I'm going into Oral. It's this gorgeous duochrome purple. It's so beautiful. See, look at that. Oh my gosh, I love it every time. I love it. I love it. If you love purple, like you need, and the sad thing is that these shades aren't in the big Jawbreaker palette, which I have as well. But these shades are just everything. So you just have to own them both. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking pigmented. Didn't even need a finger, but you know, I'm going to pop my finger on it. So I'm going to pop my finger on Oral. You see that? Oh, I love it. I love it so much. And go back in Hot Fudge. And just darken up the crease again a little bit in my outer lid. And then I'm going to go in with my JH43, this gorgeous eyeshadow liner brush for your lower lash line. And I'm going to go into double scoop. And shade in my lower lash line. Very pigmented. And then I'm going to go into Hot Fudge, which is that deep, gorgeous brown in the palette. And you really don't need to like dig in your palette that much to get the pigment you need. Like, I've used this palette multiple times and it looks like I've barely used it. See that? Smoky schmoky. Then I'm going to go back into Oral. And I just think it looks so gorgeous. Just in the middle. Line it just in the middle to give it that pop. Okay guys, very simple and easy, which I love because sometimes you don't want to spend an hour doing your makeup, you know? You just want to just get a really gorgeous look and go. And this is my go-to for that. So I totally forgot about my highlight shade. So I'm just going to highlight my inner corner. And you can use any highlight. You don't need to use the exact same one I'm using. Because I think this one is discontinued, which is really sad. At least I think it is. Do you guys see why I love this highlight shade so much? It's so sad. It's so sad. It's such a good highlight. Okay guys, I'm going to go do my liner and lashes and I will be right back. That's the final look, you guys, with the Jeffree Star Mini Breaker palette. Double Scoop, Hot Fudge, and Oral. Just 3 shadows, you guys, to get this look. But I think it's very glam, very Valentine's Day, like another Valentine's Day look you could do. And I paired it with the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Dreamer. This is like my go-to. I love this. These last so long and they're not expensive. They're like $7 or $8. So guys, let me know what you guys think of this look. If you guys like it, if you guys think that it's Valentine's Day-esque. To me it is. Like, I feel like the purples and the pinks, pretty much all the colors that are in those little candy hearts reminds me of Valentine's Day. So the purples, the teals, you know, there's so many different colors you can make for Valentine's Day. And then just pair it with a pink lip and there you go. So guys, let me know in the comments, and also don't forget there's a giveaway going on. Check it out. You can go to Jeffree Star Cosmetics or you can go to Morphe.com, and I saw that they're having a sale and this baby was only $20. And you could use one of their many Morphe codes, and Jeffree has a code as well. I will link that in the description down below. So guys, I hope you loved this simple but glamorous tutorial. Make sure if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. It lets me know how I'm doing, you guys. And I absolutely love your guys' feedback. And when you guys message me, it's just so amazing hearing about you guys doing my tutorials and then showing me your looks. Like, that's amazing to me. And I love you guys so much. Like, I don't want to cry. But it means the absolute world to me that you guys love following my tutorials. We just did our makeup. No! And guys, don't forget, if you have not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you guys know when my next video is. I love you guys so very much.